They like certain blood type.
You know what I'm thinking about, right?
I think I do. I think I do. I don't know. Like if you're thinking like what I think.
Probably not. It's pretty weird. I don't think I know.
What?
Okay, so for
Kind of. For LA, most of the equations are like they have to be greater than 0.
So if they're not, then there's no absolute at all. So you only have one value.
all right, for the inverse trig integrations. So inverse trig integration is gonna be du over square root of a squared minus u squared is equal to arc sine of u over a plus c. That's the one of the most common one. The one on AP exam usually show up as arc sine or arc tangent. Never use arc secant, but we're gonna give it to you regardless. So a squared plus u squared. Now this is the most common one. This is 1 over a. Don't forget the 1 over a. Arc tangent of u over a plus c.
Is arc sine also 1 over a?
No. Okay, so the other one is gonna be du. This one's very rare. I don't even memorize this equation because it doesn't use very often. But it's 1 over a arc secant of u over a plus c. Now, the one I will for sure memorize is this one. That is like a 3-star for BC Calc. This is a 2-star, and this is a no star.
It's not working.
I don't know why.
Mr. Ye just likes to make them.
It's actually something. They're everywhere.
What?
Unless you don't
Have
like
you been to India?
Okay. Yeah, I've been to India.
Okay, so easily you just have to follow that. But for me, like I always figure out what u is and what a is, and how also du, because you're gonna make mistake on the question I'm about to give it to you. So for example, this question that you're gonna mess up most likely, all the student here might mess up here. 2 plus 9x squared, and so hold on a second. This is dx. So why is most people gonna mess up? Because they screw up certain things. I need food.
You do.
Should order Uber E.
You want an orange?
But can I tell Uber E just deliver to the like the gate, and I just climb over the gate?
I think so. You're a teacher.
No, like teacher they don't let like student or
I know
teacher.
Jacob Former does it.
Cool.
He's a knuckle.
Yeah, that does it at the front office, just not at the classroom.
Deaf?
I think he's ordered food and he picks it up at the front.
Who?
Or no, Jorge used to do that. Jorge
You're not allowed to do that.
No way. Jorge would never do Uber Eats with
to the
his Spanish parents. Nobody wants.
Yeah, you gotta get in. You gotta get in good with the front office ladies. That way they'll let you do that.
Get him give him a piece, you know, bribe him.
You gotta charm them.
I'm really good with the back gate lady. She's really nice. I always bribe her with pizza. Every time I go get pizza, I just give it to her one. And if I get Subway, I'll give her a cookie. She's always very nice to me.
Small.
Who's your favorite order in school?
I have too many ups. I have more ups than favorite people. That's wrong.
Yes.
I'm thinking Mr. Ye.
A is the constant.
And
It's gonna be 10.
U is the number.
yeah.
Variable.
So what people usually forget to do is they actually probably most of people got it wrong here. Did anybody get a right answer?
I think.
What's your answer?
I got square root 2 over 2 arctan 3x over square root 2 plus c.
Mm-mm.
I said that, and you said it was wrong.
It is
It
wrong.
is wrong. It's wrong. Okay.
Yeah, it's wrong.
What did you tell me?
The right answer is 1 over 3 root 2 arctan of 3x square root 2.
Whoa, can you repeat that?
Yep. So you think about u squared is equal to 9x squared, right? Then u must be 3x. Now what you forget to do is you didn't do du. And that's what people usually make mistake. A squared is equal to 2. A is equal to square root 2. That we know that. But this is du over 3 dx. So what most people will forget is that gonna be 1 over a squared plus u squared, and then this is du over third. What? Huh? So that's equal to 1 over 3. And then there's 1 over a, right? So it'd be square root 2, right? Arctan of u over a, which is 3x over square root 2 plus c. And that's what people usually mess up, is because they don't know. They underestimate something very simple. Let's say u equal to 3x, you need to do du on it. Is this okay? Okay, I'm gonna keep on moving forward. Now, same thing will occur in this situation as well. Is this situation, I won't say anybody will get the right answer. I don't think anybody in this room will get the right answer, just because things like that. So let's see if you can
What is this? Is that
be better than my expectation. Whose phone is that? Somebody's phone's ringing, or I'm just going crazy.
I clicked my
Huh?
I clicked my tongue.
Oh.
I don't think it's similar to a phone ringing though.
It's a vibrating.
Like
What?
the whispering sound.
Yo.
I think I'm going crazy because I'm too hungry.
It's like when you took Marco and Rogolf in his pocket, bro.
I swear, I was like, there's no way I hear those two people's voice. So apparently, like 20 people answer the phone. I was like, and I hear like Marcos and Rocco start talking to each other.
And wait, you were like.
And I was like, I hear this throughout the week, and I don't need to hear this on the
What were you doing?
weekends.
What were you doing when you did that? Were you just like?
I was like, what the?
You guys were like, I'm trying to like relax and like I'm hearing. Okay.
This is not the first time they FaceTime me, though.
What?
Yeah, but this time it was you FaceTiming them.
I know, right?
You miss them so much.
9 years.
No.
Ooh, somebody has mentioned the right trig. Nice.
She is crazy.
Yeah.
Good job, boy.
My bad.
Wait.
That's why I say it's really hard to get this one right. Is because people don't see that. Is they don't anticipate. They always have u equal to something, and they don't anticipate what du is. It's really important that you have that as well. So u is probably e to the x. And du is equal to what? E to the x dx. then what happened is going to be du over e to the x equal to dx. So would that be just dx? I'm going to change to the du over e to the x. Square root e to the 2x minus 1, which is also known as u squared minus 1. Now, if you look at the first part has something like this. And it's actually arcsecant. So it's going to be 1 over 1 arcsecant of u, which is e to the x over 1 plus c. Absolute value in this case. So it'd be arcsecant of e to the x plus c. And that is one of the things that's a little bit harder. Now, what's on the test? I will tell you this one is not on the test.
Wait, why is no 1 over e to the x on the outside?
What?
On the
Because
outside.
it's D.
And du. Why is there no? What?
A squared is 1.
A squared is 1, but then like we not apply the same rule we did with the last question to this one.
Yeah, but u is e to the x. Du is e to the x dx. It's not, it doesn't have an additional number. It's not like e to the 2x. U is not e to the 2x. U is e to the x. E to the x times e to the x, e to the 2x. You look like you're confused.
Oh,
I don't know where is he confused. Matthew, do you know what you're confused about?
because in the last one we did 1 over 3 root 2. Because the 3 come from the du, right? That's what we did. This one, e to the x is the du. Why do we not put 1 over e to the x on the outside?
Yeah, that's what I thought too. Because the x is the constant.
Sorry?
The x is the constant.
Oh, yes, yes. Thank you.
Yeah.
But then what do we do with that?
So if you use d to the x, after changing it to du, like u equals e to the x, u squared is e to the 2x. And like going from v over ex through e to the x minus 1, the thing below that. Then from there, it's just 1 over a, excuse me.
It's the same, but it's not. Because that's u, not.
A is a constant.
Take out 1 over the u. Yeah, whatever you on the side, right, in front, it's 1 over a. E to the x.
Oh, since it's not du. Is it not? It's not du.
No. Anything the outside's not du. Anything the outside's 1 over a. And then that extra 1 cancels out because when you solve, like, when you do something, you get 1 over 3. So du over 3 times du over 3 equals dx.
Oh, you want us to do that next week?
Because
No, I'm asking how would you do this one? I'm not asking you to do it yet because yeah, It's-
yeah.
it's growing in exponential rates. It's okay. All right, so how do I take integration of this though? What's the best way to take integration?
So
No. Because u equal to 4 minus x squared is going to give you 2x. But you do need to partially use up, yes.
Factor the 4 minus x squared.
You cannot factor those out, no. You break math when you do that.
Okay.
You can split.
Yeah, you can split into like 2 minus x and 2 plus x.
No, you cannot split that way.
X over square root of 4 minus x squared and 2 over. And then you just make it negative.
Oh, wait, I'm stupid.
that's too big.
So this one is u substitution. Because you see that 1 degree less, right? So du is equal to negative 2x dx, and du equal to negative 2x dx here. Now this one is works, but this one is not u substitution. This one is what? Inverse what? Fine, let me finish this one. It's x. This is u to the 1/2 power, and this is du over negative 2x. X cancel out, so it'll be integration of negative 2 u to the negative 1/2 du plus what's integration of the other side?
Over negative sign.
Is arc sine. Thank you. So a squared is equal to 4. A is equal to 2. B squared. Oops, not b. U squared.
Isn't it 1 over negative 2 on the outside?
Which one? Oh, 1 over negative 2. Oh, yeah, you're right. U squared is equal to x squared. U is equal to x. So this one is arc sine because see, you don't have 1 degree less. On the numerator is actually constant. So only way that you can differentiate between a constant rather than the other way. So you can say, oh yeah, this is this way. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna do a arc of sine of x over 2 plus c in this particular part. There's 2 in the front, I forgot. And this part is going to be 1 over negative 2. What's integration of u to the half? It's going to be u to the half and times 2, right? Plus 2 arc sine of x over 2 plus c. So this 2 is going to cancel out. So it's going to be minus 4 minus x squared plus 2 arc sine of x over 2 plus c. Now this one is actually pretty interesting. This one is, you do have to split and you have 2 different, so you practice u substitution as well as arc sine. We're going to talk about one more. What time we get off here?
124. You have 3 minutes.
Count just at this.
1,000 seconds.
This one's pretty easy. So what do you do when you have here? We talked about this last year as well.
Oh, complete the square.
Yes, there you go. So you take the middle term, divided by 2 square. That's equal to negative 2 square. That's equal to 4. So will be dx over x squared minus 4x. I'm at plus 4. And then what do I do next? And I'm at minus 4 in the back, right? So I have plus 4 and negative 4. Let me go back to original function. So can I have dx over x minus 2 square plus 3? So now can I do complete the square? Just say arctan. U equal to x minus 2. Du is going to be the same thing, so that's fine. Over square root 3 and 1 over square root 3 plus c. And that's my answer for this particular questions.
That was an easy challenge.
Huh?
That was an easy challenge for you.
Not easy?
No, easy challenge for you.
Oh.
Because you said like 3 minutes and you're like, I've accepted.
But the minus 4, you're not doing anything with that, right? No. What do you mean? It's like,
So it's like, if you put the minus 1, like he squared the first 3, and then minus 4 is 3.
oh yeah.
It should be a pretty easy one. Do I want to give this one? No, that's too easy.
No, it's okay.
You just don't give us like the 500 rupees. Appreciate.
You know, it's not Halloween, are you the Halloween spirit?
You're gonna trick or treat?
You don't know much, do you?
Like, yeah, what if I did go to
Yeah.
What's the problem?
She'll have unlimited candy.
I'm gonna start robbing houses.
What?
I just rob all the houses.
Wait, I don't even know if I'm
Treating
gonna fall for
with
it.
Max and
Me?
yes, man, always.
Max did all no. I hate trick or treat.
Why you not trick or treating?
I'm not talking gay.
I hate it.
I'll go. I'll go trick or treating with your kids. That's so sad.
Wait, are you gonna go
I
trick-or-treating,
hate it.
Chloe?
Huh?
I hate trick or
Are you gonna go
treating.
trick-or-treating?
I thought about it.
I'm
It's
not
so boring, and they just want to keep on going to the next house. It doesn't
That's your
stop.
children. They're like literally so
Yeah,
young.
you're getting free candy. Why would you not?
It just doesn't stop. Can I go to the next house? Okay. Can I go to the next house? Okay.
That's
Can I go?
do not tell your kids they can't do Halloween.
I didn't say no. I just didn't enjoy it.
We have to pretend.
Yeah.
You think our parents like dressing up as stupid superhero names?
Like I know my parents don't like doing shit, but like
They still
Would they do it?
No.
But
Yeah,
no,
exactly.
No, I'm saying like they took me trick or treating when I was younger. Yeah.
How young?
Like
Two.
elementary school.
To
and,
when?
like, huh?
To when?
Probably like.
Because in middle school,
I just started going with my siblings.
yeah, in middle
When they
school,
got older. So maybe like middle school. Yeah.
yeah,
Like,
they can go with your friends. I
Yeah.
think junior year, I'm just not gonna go.
your son is like third, fourth grade. I was
It's not fourth grade. He's almost fifth.
That's
What?
They can be tough.
I just don't have. So I don't feel like there's any point just going like a teenager to houses and asking for candy. That's kind of like
I
weird.
yeah.
I didn't plan